Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and I wish everyone is in good health. My name is Abdul Muin bin Abdul Rahim. I'm from Group 1 for Creativity and Innovation. So today I'll be presenting about our our project, which is the Arduino sensor training kit. So the purpose of us doing this Arduino sensor training kit is to teach students, especially in the form in high school, about how sensors are applied and used. So a little bit introduction. So our training kit consists of 4 modules. Number 1 is the LDR. Number 2, it is the water level sensor. As you can see, the wires are placed in a level. Number 3 is the flame sensor. It is here. As you can see, we use the traditional flame sensor. And lastly is the ultrasonic sensor, which is on distance. So after this, I'll be demonstrating each and every of the module and how we can apply it for the students. Alright, let's start with the first module, which is the LDR. So a little bit introduction on LDR, which is light dependent resistor. For its original working principle, it is when there is light, the resistance decreases, but when there is no light, the resistance increases. So for this model, the LDR is assembled in a way when there is light, there is no current flow. But when there is no light, the current flows and the LED can be turned on. So where can, like in a more simpler term, we can explain to the students as the how street light works. At night there will be light, when there is when it is daytime there will be no light. So let me show a little bit demonstration right now. The LDR is fully exposed to the light, so there is current and the LED won't turn on. But when I cover the LDR, as you can see, the LED lights up because there is less resistance, thus letting the LED to turn on. Alright, next it is the water level sensor. Alright, so as you can see, the wires are connected in a way that it is in levels, and it is for the module, this is level 1, level 2 and level 3. So we can say that level 3 is the highest or the most dangerous, and level 1 is the level where there is no water or there is low water at the level. Interesting about this module is we can put other stimulants other than the LED, such as buzzer or anything that applies. So it is up to the student. It is highly modifiable. So yes, without further ado, let me demonstrate. And this here I put in the water. See that? That is when the water is at a normal level. Normal level here, as you can see, level 1 lights up. Okay, I add in more water. See? The second indicator lights up, showing that water is increasing. And then I'll put in a lot of it. And as you can see, the LED at level 3 lights up, showing the water is full. So yes, that is how the water level sensor training kit works. The level varies on how the student wants it. So it is, as I say, it is really highly modifiable, and we can put other stimulants such as buzzers. Alright, so next up is the flame sensor. So for the flame sensor, this is the flame sensor. So in a term where it is 1 and 0, right now the input is 0 because there is no flame. And for the students to understand, we can say this is how fire alarms work. When there is fire, there will be we can hear the buzzer turning on and the LED turning on. So without further ado, let me try it out here. See, with the flame here, I can the LED and the buzzer turns on. Alright, for the last module, it is the ultrasonic sensor. So ultrasonic sensor, it uses the trigger and echo pin, where it can use to measure distance. So here in the Arduino, I put the coding in like when it is 0, as in there is no gap at all, there will be no sound or no LED light turning up. So but if I increase it a little bit, and then this is the distance where it will turn on the LED and turn on the buzzer. But then when it reaches a certain level, that it is a little bit here. Alright, as you can see, where the distance is too far, there won't be any sound and there will be no LED turning on. So it depends on the student to modify the kit 100%. They just have to change the coding a little bit, and yes, that is the module for the ultrasonic.